Holy Mary, Mother of God, Saint Michael, Saint John the Baptist, Saint Joseph, Saint Peter and Saint Paul, Saint Andrew, Saint John, Saint Mark, Saint Mary Magdalene, Saint Stephen, Saint Ignatius of Antioch,